Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how I make this sushi salad. I was sitting home one day and really wanted some sushi, but I was too lazy to sit there rolling everything up, so I just wanted to throw everything together like I did here on the plate and make a sushi salad. So let's get started. I just start off by putting in my sushi rice. I do have a video on how I make my sushi rice and I'll have that linked below if anyone is interested. So I place the sushi rice on the plate and gather up all of the ingredients that I want to place onto my sushi. I decided to make it with kani this time around without any actual raw fish because I'm going to be feeding it to my kids and they are not a fan of it. But this can totally be done with some sushi grade salmon or tuna, and you can do the exact same thing using regular fresh fish. I start off by cutting up some of the crab sticks. These are obviously just imitation crab meat that I get in the freezer section of my local supermarket. This is the kind that I use that you see right here. I slice them up into cubes, and once that's all done, I set them aside and get started on the cucumbers. I use a mandolin slicer to slice up the cucumbers very thinly, just like you would do when you're making a regular sushi. You cut them up very thin. And to help that go onto the sushi salad plate, I just take a knife and just chop it coarsely so that it's very easy to take the salad with the cucumbers not getting all in the way with all of its strings. So I just roughly chop it up. Now that everything's chopped up, this is where you can get very creative with how you design your sushi salad. I just simply place everything on top of one another. I place the cucumbers over the rice and then the crab sticks over that. Now to season everything, I use the sesame oil. It's best to get the toasted kind. I place small little drops all over the top of the sushi salad, followed by some soy sauce. For the next layer, I'll be chopping up some of these nori sheets. One nori sheet was enough for my salad. You could either use a knife to cut it, or you could just use your hands and shred it very small. The purpose of shredding this is that when you're going in to take the salad in with your spoon, the nori sheet doesn't get in the way of you cutting it. There are some beautiful presentations with a whole nori sheet right over the sushi salad. But I thought it would be nice just to be able to use your spoon and just dig into it. And this way, when the nori is nice and shredded, it makes it much easier to do that. For the final layer, I'll be slicing up some avocados very thinly and try to attempt to decorate it as best as I can right over the top. To season everything off, once again, I'm going to be adding in some toasted sesame oil and soy sauce. To dress the salad up a bit, I'm going to add in some sesame seeds and spicy mayo that I made. I just use about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some red paprika, and some hot sauce mix. Don't forget to clean the plate and enjoy. I hope you guys all liked this video tutorial, and if you did, I would appreciate it if you would give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time.